Dear students, welcome to online classes. This is T. Swarnakumari, Junior Lecturer in Political Science from Government Junior College Science Wing, Karimnagar. Dear students, observe the pictures that are displayed in the video carefully. In this video, today I am going to introduce you about the topic, the Indian Constitution and its historical background. The Constitution of India is most powerful constitution in the modern world. It was prepared and adopted by the Constituent Assembly, which was set up in 1946. The Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950, which we have been celebrating as the Republic Day. It has evolved itself from many historical developments, demands and aspirations of the people expressed in nationalist movement. Indian national movement was organized mainly by the Indian National Congress, demanding the independence from British rulers. Indian national movement was organized during 1857 to 1947 in both violent and non-violent ways. The long history of Indian national movement can be divided into three phases. There are so many causes for the birth of Indian national movement. We are going to learn some of them in next lesson. Indian national movement was divided into three phases. They are moderate phase, extremist phase, Gandhian phase. First one is moderate phase. In this phase, the political leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee have participated. Moderate phase in Indian national movement was organized during the period of 1885 to 1905. Extremist phase in Indian national movement was organized during 1905 to 1920. In this phase, some leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpati Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal have participated. Gandhian phase in Indian national movement was organized during 1920 to 1947. During this phase, some movements was organized by Gandhiji. They are non-cooperation movement from 1920 to 1922, Salt Satyagraha 1930, Quit India movement from 1942 to 1947. While these movements are going on, British government made some acts to satisfy some of the demands of Indians. They are Government of India Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947. Finally, the Government of Indian Independence Act 1947, India attained independence on 15th August 1947. India became a republic with the commencement of written constitution on 26th January 1950. The Constitution of India was formed by the Constituent Assembly. Babu Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first president of Constituent Assembly. B.R. Ambedkar was elected as chairman of drafting committee. Indian Constitution is a unique constitution. It is a written and lengthiest constitution. Students, we are going to discuss some of the silent features of Indian constitution in coming classes in detail. Okay? Thank you.